So guys, let's look at a couple of the first ones. And I'll give you a few hints on some of the later ones. The very first one, we've done one like that before, so it should have been too evil. The outside function sine, what's its derivative? Cosine. And then the inside function gets a term. So it ends up being 5 cosine 5x. Shoo! Not too bad. What about b? What's the outside function? Well, let me ask you this first. What's the inside function? No. Yes, 3x squared minus 4 is inside e to the something, right? The outside function is e to the something, and what's in there? 3x squared minus 4. What is the derivative of e to the something? E to the something. I love it. So the very first step is just e to the thing. And then what? Times derivative. I love it. Prime, Jeff. So what do you get for that? 6x. So I just put that out front. 6x, e to the 3x squared minus 4. Kablam. Now just a couple pointers. This one you should rewrite it. How should you rewrite it? What do you want to do with this on the bottom, besides erase it? Yeah, to the 2/3, so if you bring it up, it'll be to the... And now, fundamentally, what rule is happening? No? Product rule is happening. That is the fundamental thing. I know a chain rule is going to be something later, but what is it fundamentally? Function times function. That function's gross. It's going to have, I don't give a shit. The first step is product rule. You don't have to know everything ahead of time. I just get weird. Students sometimes feel like, I gotta know what's going to happen. No, it's product rule. Then when you write the product rule, you'll go, oh, this piece is chain rule. And then you attack it with chain rule. I like it. Notice how D and E are very similar. Getting over the fact that you use theta there and beta there. What is the difference between D and E? Bless you. What's inside secant here?
Is it the whole thing or is it just B?
So we know exactly what it is. If I meant it to be the whole thing, I should have put parentheses. I like it. Very often we don't put parentheses when it's like, I could write sine 5x without parentheses, and that's kind of understood, they go together. But here, this is secant b times that square root. What's the difference up here? What's true up here? Hell no. Sorry.
The square root.
I was like, damn it, I'm never going to speak over me, and shit, that's not what I mean. This is insanely important. What does SEC by itself mean? Not shit. If I ask you, all right, let's evaluate that, what would you say? What is that? Square root symbol. So if I said evaluate that, what would you say? Did you forget something, Jeff? Right? What did I forget? I didn't put some shit inside of it, Jeff. Yay. So secant hanging out by itself does not mean shit. It needs something in it to mean. Just the same way as that symbol, sure, I can say it's a square root symbol, and that's a secant, sure, but does it mean anything? No, this is meaningless. There's nothing to do here. It's not. So what is that? That is secant of. So that whole square root of 2 theta plus 1 is inside the secant, whereas on the other one, it's secant something times that square root thing. Okay? I'm getting all the tricks and little weird shit out on this non-graded thing. You should be very happy about that. Okay, so keep going.